Why have an independent third-party inspection performed on the vehicle that you're interested in selling, and why do that with a Motobyo certified partner? In this video, we're going to learn how important that really is when you're looking to sell your vehicle quickly and for the right price. Simply put, adding an inspection report to your vehicle listing that's available for sale for everyone who's interested in your vehicle to review at all times, that's completed by an independent inspector, just builds trust. Trust in the fact that your vehicle is as you've described it, and trust in the fact that if the vehicle needs anything, that your potential buyers will know about it so they can understand the costs of what it takes to get the vehicle to be in perfect operating condition. An independent inspection lets all potential buyers know that they do not need to rely on your assessment of your vehicle. They can rely on an independent third party letting them know the true condition of the vehicle. Why use Motobyo's partners to perform this independent inspection? Number one is we partner with national brands that potential buyers recognize, like Firestone, Midas, Meineke, and others. Two is that the report instantly gets attached to your vehicle listing when it's for sale on the Motobyo website. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all potential buyers can see this report. The third reason is that we get discounted pricing on these inspection reports, and we pass that savings on to you. Rest assured, you're not going to be able to get an independent inspection performed for less. Adding an independent inspection report just makes sense. Building trust and potentially opening up your market to a larger audience of potential buyers to consider your vehicle will result in your vehicle selling faster and potentially for more money.